How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager. So in this video we will talk about the solution how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to open the settings of your phone. After this go directly and open apps, and here on apps you have to search for Facebook. Open Facebook when you found it and then go to storage option. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next now is to go into Play Store and update your Facebook if it's not updated. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.